guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to do a loose wave with your straightener. I'm going to spray this heat protectant spray. It's called Joico, and just spray it all over. Then I'm going to brush my hair. I'm going to get a clip and section out my hair. Now you don't have to do this unless you have really thick hair, so it's easier to grab all the pieces. So now I have this section to do first. So I'm going to take a section of my hair. Usually I would get an inch. You're going to get your straightener and just put it close to the root, and you're going to twist it to the right and then pull it outwards. Now we're doing a very soft wave, so this is what it's going to look like. And make sure you leave the ends straight so it gives more of the beachy wave look. Next, take another section and then do the same thing. Get this again. You're going to take your straightener and pull it outwards to the right, and then pull it straight all the way and leave the ends straight. Next, we're going to work on the other side. So grab another section of hair. And this time you're going to pull the straightener to the left. So grab it, turn it, and pull it straight out. You get a little wave. If you twist it more, all the way down to the ends, you're going to get a really tight curl. So again, put the straightener close to the roots. You're going to clamp it down, twist it to the left, and pull all the way to the ends. You get a loose wave. And if you think some parts are still too straight, you just go through it. You just curl it. Now I did both sides, so next I'm going to take this down. And I'm just going to part it where I want it to be parted. Brush it. And then I'm going to take another section. You can always go over it again if you don't like how loose it is. But I like mine very loose because if it's very tight, it's going to look really poofy. For me. See, I'm getting this little wave. Again, take a section of your hair, get the straightener, and you're going to twist it this way to the right. It might be different on the camera, but I'm twisting to my right. You're making sure the curls are going away from your face. One side is done, next is this side. Now for those that have finer hair, you can always alternate your curls. You can start at the front, curling it outwards, and then when you get to the back, you can curl it inwards. You can also alternate it, so you can do curling out, and then grab another section beside it and curl it inwards. That gives it more of a textured look, and it also makes your hair look fuller. to grab the hair and pull it outwards. So I'm working on my left side now and I'm pulling it to my left. I'm twisting to the left. Again, grab a piece of your hair and you twist to the left, then pull out. These are shorter pieces, so it's not going to look as wavy. I might need to go over it again just to make it a little bit curlier. I'm just going over it again, just so I can get more of the wave. Some pieces you can leave out, some pieces you can curl it. Next I'm going to take my oil, my argan oil by Babyliss. Going to take a little bit and I'm just going to run it through the ends of my hair to loosen up the waves a little bit. Now I have loose waves, and then you just spray it with your hairspray. That way it will last longer throughout the day, and that's it. I'll have another video of how to curl it with a curling iron. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting videos every Mondays and Wednesdays, so turn on your notification button and that way you can see my new videos that I posted. Thank you guys. Bye.